Alright.
This is to Andrew Muslim. The man, when I walk past the man, and his shit go like this, just kiss me. I'm gonna tell you right now, hastis, sis. Did you hear? Did you fuck? Hold on. Ah. God, I look like a Taliban. It is not my fault. Do you understand? It is not my fault that your thing goes like this. Okay? I'm just trying to tell. Hallelujah. Okay. End script.